They have lied about menopause for decades. Many women have been told that menopause is all about low estrogen and that the only answer is to take more estrogen. Let's start by busting the biggest menopause myth, because you deserve to know the truth. Menopause is just about low estrogen. Hormone replacement therapy is safe and effective for everyone. There is nothing you can do except take more medication. Here is the reality. Menopause is a complex hormonal transition, not just an estrogen deficiency. YHRT can help some women. It comes with serious risks that are often downplayed or ignored. Estrogen hormone therapy can increase your risk of breast cancer, endometrial cancer, blood clot, stroke, gallstone, fluid retention, high triglyceride, cardiovascular problems. Many women are also prescribed antidepressants for mood swing, sleeping pills for insomnia, statins for cholesterol, and blood pressure medicines, all with their own side effects. It's a pharmaceutical merry-go-round and you deserve better. So what is really happening in your body during menopause around age 50? Your ovaries stop releasing eggs. Estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone all drop. This hormonal shift affects your hypothalamus, the part of your brain that controls your body's thermostat. Weight loss, appetite, and energy. That's why you can feel hot flashes, night sweat, weight gain, mood swing, and fatigue. But here is what most doctors don't tell you. If you have low vitamin D and insulin resistance, your symptoms can become much worse. And these are things you can actually address naturally. Estrogen isn't just about period and hot flashes. It protects your insulin, producing better cells, keep your blood sugar stable, control inflammation, and even help activate vitamin D. When estrogen drops, your body's ability to handle sugar, inflammation, vitamin D takes a hit. That's why so many women struggle to gain weight, especially around their belly, fatigue and low energy, bone loss and muscle loss, mood swing and brain fog. But here is the twist. The real driver behind many of these symptoms isn't low estrogen, it is insulin resistance. When your cells stop responding to insulin, your body pumps out more and more of it. This leads to weight gain, especially around your belly, and makes it harder to lose weight. It also increases inflammation, which can worsen joint pain, fatigue, and even hot flashes. Estrogen actually helps keep your cell sensitive to insulin. So when estrogen drops, insulin resistance can skyrocket unless you take steps to address it. Research shows that women with insulin resistance have more severe hot flashes, weight gain, and a higher risk of heart disease after menopause. But here is the good news. Insulin resistance is fixable without drugs. Here are the natural ways to address menopause symptoms. Take vitamin D3, at least 20,000 IU, with magnesium and vitamin K2. Vitamin D is crucial for hormone balance, bone health, and immune function. Most women are deficient, especially after menopause. Take it with magnesium and vitamin K2 for better absorption. Vitamin D can help reduce insulin problem. Another one is resveratrol, black cohosh, and red clover. This plant-based compound can mimic the effect of estrogen in your body, helping to reduce hot flashes and support hormone balance. They are not a magic bullet, but they can make a real difference for many women. Light exposure. Your body's internal clock or circadian rhythm is regulated by light. Getting outside in the morning can help reset your clock, boost your mood, and improve your sleep. Avoiding bright light at night helps your body produce melatonin, which is crucial for sleep and hormone balance. Progesterone cream. Natural progesterone can help balance the effect of low estrogen, improve sleep, and reduce anxiety. It's available over the counter in many places, but talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Melatonin. This hormone helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. It also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Taking melatonin at night can help you fall asleep and stay asleep, which is crucial for hormone balance. Diet and lifestyle. Cutting out sugar and refined carbohydrates can help reduce insulin resistance, which can make a huge difference in your symptoms. Focus on whole food, healthy fat, and quality protein. Intermittent fasting or time-restricted eating can also help your body become more sensitive to insulin. And don't forget to move your body every day. Walking, strength training, and yoga are all great options. Another one is testosterone. Testosterone is just important for women as it is for men. During menopause, testosterone drop, leading to low libido, muscle loss, and even depression. If you have tried everything and still struggle, testosterone therapy like testosterone pilot may be an option. It can boost your energy, muscle mass, mood, and sexual health. But always work with a knowledgeable hormone literate provider. Menopause is a natural transition, not a disease. It is time to listen to your body, honor your needs, and make empowered choices. So don't fall the myth that menopause is all about estrogen. The truth is that you have more power than you think. By addressing insulin resistance, optimizing your vitamin D, and using natural remedies, you can thrive not just to survive through menopause. Indeed, learning never ends and nature heals. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.